Welcome to the Unleashed Uncle Bill Dube variety channel where we cook, we camp, we create, we critique, and we climb. This week we're doing cooking. I'm going to start right in and show you some of the cookbooks that I've collected over the years. And unfortunately, I got rid of quite a few last year and I regret it. But here's some fun little ones. Ma's Cooking. And if you open it up, you can see some Ma's cooking recipes. Sourdough pancakes. Oh, those look like fun. Here's another one. The Pioneer Cookbook. Don't you want to know how they cooked coming across in the covered wagons? Oh, we can learn how they cooked the meats and how they did the fried liver. Oh, I love fried liver. Uncle Bill loves fried liver and onions. Yum, yum, yum. Homemade breads. How to make homemade breads. Open it up. This book caught me just on the font alone. I love picturesque cookbooks. You may have seen this before. Uncle Bill's used it before. The Bread Man, Bread Cook, how to use your bread machine. The Fagor Dual Pressure Cooker Cookbook. Pressure cookers used to, all of these machines used to come with a cookbook. Now you have to go online because people do it online. Mormon Cookbook, $2. Oh, I didn't open it up. It's probably because this is the third time going through this. I forgot to turn on my mic last time. Faith City, scallop, tomatoes, corn, and cheese. Oh, that sounds so good. For those who have to wash the salt in their diet, there was even a book that came out about salt-free. Well, not salt-free. I'm sure there's probably some recipes that have salt in them, but I haven't gone through every single one. How about chicken burgers? Yum! I actually have a meat grinder too. I could probably make some chicken burgers. Uncle Bill could have some chicken burgers because he has a grinder for making his cat food. Presto Cooker Cookbook. This was the Bible back in the 50s and the 60s. Pressure cookers were really big back then. Uncle Bill has quite a few pressure cookers. Vegetarian pizza. Let's see if we could get a picture of one of them. That doesn't look like a pizza. If you think that's a pizza, you leave a comment down below and you tell me where you learned about pizza. Probably tastes good though. And then we have the last one, which is the Herb Companion Cookbook. And this is all about using herbs and the recipes and how they go. I'm Uncle Bill. This week is Cook Week. And on Friday, the video's all done. It's in the can. It's less than 8 minutes long. It's very entertaining. About refrigerator soup. If you've never heard about refrigerator soup, I'll educate you. It's being done in my new Instapot, which my daughter gave me. My daughter Brenda gave me that. And her husband Kyle. They were very generous and gave me that for Christmas. So, woohoo! I'm going to have fun cooking in that cooker pot. So far, I cooked a roast, and now I'm doing the refrigerator soup for this Friday's video. Come watch. Every day this side of the dirt is a great day. Go out there and have some fun. Stay COVID safe. Thank you for your time and for watching. Have a great day.